I am always ready for better options. That's the conversation we're going to have here today on Self-Love Monday. Hey guys, this is Ron Simplified, my author, podcaster, and your uplifting life partner. This was a conversation I heard a young lady having. She said, I'm always open or ready for better options because I love me more than I love any other man. And folks, I'm going to let you know in advance, if someone ever tells you that, run. Not walk, run. Why? What is she actually telling you? She is telling you that you in her life are just a fixture there until she finds something better. Not that she's going to work with you to try to create better and create the best options available. She's out there looking for the options. And the moment she recognizes them is the moment you come home and the house is empty. Why? She found a better option. That comes down to, as you guys know, I talk about how you feel about yourself. When you know your value, you know your worth, and I know that's kind of what she's trying to say when she says, I love me more than any other man. There's a difference between, as I always talk about, confidence and arrogance. Confidence is believing in your abilities, and you should believe in yourself. You should have confidence in yourself. You should put you first. That's not this conversation. But arrogance is when you put yourself above others and you look down on others. People with that mentality that's always looking for better is a person who's always looking down on those who have less. Think about it. Because she's always striving to have more. So if you don't have what she's looking for, she's going to bypass you. Not work with you to accumulate it. She's going to look past you and find someone who gives her better options. Ladies, if that's you, honestly, learn to value the things that I share. Learn to love you, value you. Find a partner who's headed in the same direction. You guys will create the best options together. Not you out there pursuing, not caring about him, which is basically what that comment is saying, is you're not my concern. I'm looking for the best options for me. You guys follow the problem there? A relationship is when you commit to each other. And when you have one party who is only looking out for themselves, that relationship is guaranteed to fall apart. And as you guys know, it ain't right, it ain't wrong. It is my opinion. Run on over to Google Play or the Apple Store and download my app, Simplified You, not the word you, the letter U. Simplified You. It's a free download. It'll give you access to everything I have going on. Matter of fact, I just added my book, the Relationship Success Handbook, Get Rid of Your Problems, Not Your Partner, as a free download. So if you haven't updated, if you already have the app and you haven't updated it, update the app. And it should tell you to do that when you come on, that it needs to be updated. So it's not something that you have to go do. It should automatically tell you that. But update the app and you'll have access to the book immediately. All right. As you guys know, if you're not having fun, you should be doing something else. Again, this is about working on you, becoming the best you possible. Find a person that's headed in the same direction as you. And then let's work together and we'll create the best options. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.